Today we're down here and Trenton Bridge, and thus far it's been about a 7.5 mile ride. I'm down one bar, it's okay. Got a headwind about 10-20 miles an hour, so enough to keep you cool on a 90-degree day, but it's still a beast, with the heat. So the goal is take you all up to Fort Hamilton, let you see that, and then I'll add in a video, where I'm talking about the history of it and stuff, and do it that way. It's actually really pretty, so. I figured it's a good place. I won't have another shady spot for another 7.5 miles. So it'll be a road ride for 7.5 miles so I can get to Rexler Park and get on that trail. There's some shade to that, and that'll run me into Hamilton, Ohio. On the way back is going to be 100% road ride. It'll be a shorter route, and I'll need that. Batteries don't last forever, and paddling at 15 to 20 mile an hour winds with a 58-pound bike, 20-pound trailer sucks. The update on the trip's going to happen next month, but the e-bike's not going. Trailer's going to go, but the e-bike's going to stay. We're going to pick up a pedal bike. Originally was going to do 2 to 3 days and zip right through it, which I can do that with the e-bike, a couple batteries. But for the price of the extra batteries, I can get a pedal bike, save myself the money of the hotel rooms, camp where I want to camp. Campgrounds are $20-30, and you can get one for electric for about $40. And I can charge everything up at the campsite, and upload videos, edit videos, whatever I need to do. And that's really going to be the way to do it.